Welcome to Reviews Inside TV. Today we're checking out the Eureka 3670M Canister Vacuum Cleaner, a compact yet mighty cleaner that promises to tackle everything from carpets to hard floors, upholstery to stairs. If you're in the market for something that combines portability with powerful suction, you might want to stick around as we explore whether this canister vacuum can deliver on its promises. The Eureka 3670M packs a punch with its 1200-watt motor, delivering continuous suction to make quick work of everyday messes. At just 8.6 pounds, it's light enough to carry around your home without breaking a sweat, whether you're moving from room to room or carrying it up the stairs. But don't let the lightweight build fool you. It's designed for whole home cleaning, so you'll find it just as effective on hard floors as it is on carpets, with some extra perks like attachments for those hard-to-reach places. One of the first things to note is the dust bag capacity, 2.5 liters, which should mean fewer trips to the trash compared to some smaller capacity models. The replaceable bag also ensures mess-free disposal of debris, from dust to pet hair. Pet owners, in particular, should be paying attention here, because it promises to pick up those stubborn strands without leaving behind a trail. This vacuum doesn't stop at the basics. It's equipped with an assortment of tools that really boost its versatility. With 2 extension wands and 2 specialty attachments, this vacuum doesn't shy away from tight spaces. It's perfect for cleaning furniture, reaching those high ceilings, or even tackling crevices that might otherwise be overlooked with traditional uprights. The addition of a car cleaning tool is another nice touch for those who need a vacuum that can handle more than just the floors inside the home. In real-world use, setting up the Eureka 3670M is a breeze. It's simple, intuitive, and doesn't require any complex assembly. Whether you're using it on your hardwood floors or plush carpets, the 100-watt motor consistently delivers a solid performance, lifting dirt and debris from both types of surfaces with ease. One area where this vacuum excels is on pet hair. Thanks to its strong suction and the special tools, even embedded fur gets picked up without much effort. However, you might find that the cord length can limit your reach in larger spaces, so you'll need to keep that in mind when planning your cleaning session. When it comes to comfort, the 8.6-pound weight is definitely a plus. It's not too heavy to carry, yet it still feels sturdy enough for everyday cleaning. The ergonomics are well thought out, making it easy to maneuver around furniture, upstairs, and even into tricky corners. The attachments are a standout here. They make it easy to clean everything from delicate upholstery to those hard-to-reach nooks in your car. However, the vacuum's design might not be for everyone. Some might find the cord a little restricting in larger rooms or while cleaning multiple levels. Noise levels are something you might want to consider. While this vacuum isn't the quietest on the market, it's certainly not a deal breaker, especially given the power it offers. The suction is impressive, but you might notice it gets a bit loud at full blast. As for the value, the Eureka 3670M offers a solid performance for a price that's tough to beat in the canister vacuum category. When you compare it to other models at a similar price point, it holds its own in terms of suction power, versatility, and convenience. You're getting a vacuum that can handle multiple surfaces, including carpets, hard floors, stairs, and upholstery, with a powerful motor that ensures consistent cleaning. For those who prioritize a lightweight design but don't want to compromise on performance, it could be a great fit. Let's talk about a few alternatives to help put the Eureka 3670M in perspective. If you're looking for something with similar power, but perhaps a bit more flexibility, the Shark Navigator Liftaway is another canister-style vacuum that many users prefer for its easy conversion into a handheld vacuum. It has excellent suction and similar versatility with attachments, though it may be a bit heavier than the Eureka. On the other hand, if you want a slightly more budget-friendly option, the Bissell Zing Canister Vacuum might be worth considering. Now's it. Though it does lack some of the specialized attachments that make the Eureka so versatile. In terms of build quality, the Eureka 3670M feels solid enough for the price. The body and components are mostly plastic, but they feel sturdy. The vacuum is easy to maintain. with the replaceable dust bag being a convenient feature for those who don't want to deal with messy dirt canisters. Cleaning the brush roll is straightforward, though the long hair might occasionally get tangled, so a quick cleanup now and then will keep it running smoothly. The filters are washable, which is another plus for long-term maintenance. Customer support, as expected from Eureka, is generally reliable, but it's always good to check if there are any known issues with the vacuum before purchase. Luckily, this model doesn't have a reputation for frequent breakdowns, and Eureka has a decent warranty for peace of mind. In the end, the Eureka 3670M is an easy vacuum to recommend for anyone looking for a lightweight yet powerful canister vacuum that's capable of handling various surfaces and messes. If you're in the market for something that offers versatility, solid suction, and easy handling, it's a strong contender, especially for those who don't mind plugging in the cord for consistent power. Pet owners and allergy sufferers will especially appreciate the bag design, which helps keep things tidy and reduces dust exposure during emptying. It's not perfect, but it certainly delivers where it matters most: power, portability, and performance. Thanks for watching. If you want to learn more about the Eureka 3670M, the link to the product is in the comments box. Let us know if you have any questions or if you've used this vacuum yourself. Until next time, keep your home clean and tidy, and remember, Reviews Inside TV has your back for the best insights. Take care.